This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Nancy Badord. Cozy 2-bedroom 1-bath home on large lot in quiet neighborhood. Kitchen features eating area with sliding glass doors, large living room, laundry room, 2 bedrooms and 1 bath all on one level. The large lot has nice garage and small shed with lots of possibilities. HUD case 132 to 319,503. All offers must be submitted at www.hudhomestore.com or www.chronosolutions.com. HUD homes are sold as is. Visit www.hudhomestore.com for insurability status, escrow amounts and bidding instructions. For more information, review the details below.